What if a secret court document could turn an entire case upside down? We are now uncovering explosive new details about a confidential declaration, including its mystery author and shocking contents, that Blake Lively filed just over a week ago. This filing was part of her demand for the court to award her treble damages and punitive damages, claiming she was the victim of a retaliatory lawsuit. Blake argues that this retaliation came after she made serious accusations against Justin Baldoni and Wayfair Studios, citing a California law, Section 47.1, which allows treble damages if someone files a lawsuit in response to credible claims of sexual assault or harassment that were made without malice. But here's the twist. Even though the judge did not use this law to dismiss Baldoni's lawsuit against her, Blake is still pressing the court to award her damages anyway. In the middle of all this legal drama, she quietly submitted a declaration, one that was sealed because it came from a potential witness whose identity is being kept hidden until a trial takes place. This secrecy isn't unusual. Witnesses are often kept confidential, and Wayfair didn't initially object. In fact, they supported keeping the witness anonymous. But then, buried in the redacted declaration, came an allegation of verbal abuse by Justin Baldoni and a conversation involving Steve Sarowitz. And that's where things take a dramatic turn. Why is this conversation so dangerous that Wayfair is now demanding the entire recording be made public? Imagine uncovering a secret recording so controversial it could destroy someone's entire case. Wayfair has now fired back with a powerful legal move, opposing Blake Lively's request to keep the entire audio recording sealed. While they fully agree the witness identity should stay confidential, they believe this recording cannot remain hidden. Why? Because this recording allegedly includes the voice of Steve Sarowitz, a defendant in the case. And here's the bombshell. Wayfair suggests that this audio may have been illegally obtained, recorded without Sarowitz's consent. In their official filing, Wayfair states, "The materials concern an alleged recording made by the witness of a conversation with defendant Steve Sarowitz without his consent. Plaintiff seeks to seal the audio recording in its entirety, even though she selectively quoted from it in a public, unsealed brief she filed with the court." They argue that Blake Lively is cherry-picking quotes to shape a narrative while hiding the full context. According to Wayfair, if Blake is going to use this recording as evidence, the entire recording must be released publicly to guarantee transparency. But there's a legal twist here. Whether this recording is legal or illegal depends entirely on where it was made. In New York, only one person in a conversation needs to consent to a recording. In California, both parties must consent or it's illegal. Don't miss the next headline. Subscribe and turn on that notification bell.